Sarap sa pakiramdam. Would love to do it again. Events that involve and advocate integration is always a very important event. Kasi ako bilang lumaki ako sa isang school na integrated, lahat regardless of your background, kung ano ka mula pa ng pagkabata. Para sa akin, that's ano yun eh, para ka nagtatanim ng seed of unity and harmony. Mga boto, pag nakikita ko sila na they perform, enjoy on stage without inhibition and just seeing pure joy, it reminds me that it's very important to go back to your inner child.